In the previous lecture, we created an image slideshow using ViewPager. In this lecture, as you know, we are going to solve the problem that we had with our image slideshow in terms of being slow. As you know, currently, when we are moving between images in our slideshow, the pictures are displayed very slowly. In this lecture, we are going to use the Glide library to load our image slideshow pictures. To solve our problem, we can use one of the two available libraries. Picasso and Glide are two most popular libraries used for fast loading of images in Android applications. As you see in this video, the difference between these two libraries in terms of image loading speed is very remarkable. You see that the Glide library loads images faster than Picasso. So, in this lecture, we will be using the Glide library to load images inside our image slideshow. To add the Glide library to our project, the first thing we need to do is to go to google.com and search for Glide library. The second search result is a page on GitHub for the Glide library. I open this page in my browser. I wait until the web page is loaded. I scroll the page down. To use this library in my application, I'm going to copy the first line of code under dependencies. Next, I return to Android Studio, and under Gradle scripts, I open build.gradle for the app module. Then I paste the copied code under dependencies. Now I click Sync Now, and I wait until Android Studio adds the Glide library to my project. Alright, the Gradle operations finished successfully, and the Glide library was added to our project. To use this library in my Java code, I open the slideshow adapter class. First, inside the instantiateItem method, I comment out img.setImageResource. Then I'm going to add code that deals with the Glide library. I type glide.with. Inside the parentheses, I must pass a context. I'm going to pass the context object that I have defined up here inside my class. Dot load Inside the parentheses, I must specify the image to load. As you know, my images are in an array named images. So I type images with the index of position. Load for me the image item located at the index of position. Now where are my images supposed to be loaded into? Into my image view object. So I type dot into and I pass it the image view object img. And semicolon. So, to put it simply, I use the glide library to load the images that I have inside my images array according to the position index and place them inside the image view object img. Now let's check out our project on the emulator. Once my application is successfully launched on the emulator, I start swiping the images in the slideshow to the side. As you can see, now the images in our image slideshow are loaded much faster than before. Note that we easily solved the slowness issue of our image slideshow by adding the glide library to our application. In the next lecture, I will show you how to add an indicator to your image slideshow using the circle indicator library.